my name's Millie, and today we are going to be opening Kit's Typewriter right here. And at the end, I have Isabel here, and I'm going to show you how it works and play with her. So, I just got it today at the American Girl doll store at Mall of America because it was my cousin's birthday and we had lunch-ish, dinner-ish there. It comes with one typewriter, 20 pieces of paper, an eraser, and I have no idea what that says, so let's get started. Oh my gosh, guys, this is amazing. Look at this. Here's the paper. Oh, that's what I couldn't have read, a picture. Wow, this is really cool. And there's also this picture of a guy holding a bunch of tennis balls. And then here's the paper. Let me take the ribbon off. Here. This looks like way more than 20 pieces. Okay. Here, I'll put one in. I'll put a blank piece in. Now I'm gonna write something. I think I'm done. Okay guys, I think I'm done. Let's see, this is what I write. Okay. So, now I'm going to show you the box that all the papers come in. It's a really pretty color with this red little thing. I think that's for to open it. And on the bottom it says American Girl doll and some numbers and stuff. I really like the design on it. Do you see? Like it's like green and then red dots all over the place. I really like that design. And then there's this really nice bow that I can use for a lot of stuff. And here are the 20 pieces. These look like more than 20 pieces, don't you guys think? Okay, now it's time for Isabel to do it. Here's Isabel. She's an American Girl doll. Kit's also an American Girl doll, but I don't have her. I just collect her stuff. Well, this is actually the first Kit thing I've ever had. She's wearing pajama pants, a sweatshirt, and a nice dress. The sweatshirt has a hood on it, and it came with a roller skate set. So, she's gonna sit down, and she's gonna typewrite. Let me get this in really quick. Okay, she's gonna write a story now. It's going to be called The Hard Times News. Okay, she just needs to write a few more lines. Okay, now she's going to do it. And one more line, it's about the last one. Okay, good. Let's take it out and see what she wrote. Ooh, I like this. Now she's gonna draw some pictures on it. Good, and this is how it turned out. Bye, thanks for watching The Sweet Bakery. Watch my next video. And it's going to be very crazy. It's going to be about American Girl dolls. I'll give you a hint. And it's going to be including Mary Ellen's Diner. I have Mary Ellen's Diner because Mommy's crazy and got it for my birthday. I mean, not my birthday, for Christmas. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.